Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown in this video to slow it down. Start with the Google Maps plugin by Supsystic, download the free version, then add the pro version, with a 14-day free trial. Experience advanced features at no cost. Let's begin with marker clusters. Marker clusters help manage maps with many markers by grouping nearby markers into clusters. To enable marker clusters, go to the Clusters tab and toggle the Enable Clusters option. Customize the appearance and behavior of clusters to suit your needs. This feature ensures your map remains clear and easy to navigate, even with numerous markers. Next, let's explore adding figures to your map. This feature allows you to draw routes, shapes, and areas to highlight key locations and data. To add figures, go to the Figures tab and choose the type you need. Customize the appearance and settings to fit your map. This feature makes your map more informative and engaging for users. Let's explore adding a heat map layer to your map. This feature visualizes data density, showing areas of high and low activity. To add a heat map layer, go to the Heat Map tab and toggle the Enable Heat Map option. Customize the colors and intensity settings to suit your needs. This feature makes your map more insightful and engaging for users. After adding the heat map layer, save the map and copy the shortcode provided. Paste the shortcode into your desired page or post, then click Preview to see your map in action. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to get the most out of your WordPress plugins. Happy mapping!